vlog153. It's Monday, September 9th, 2024. It's around 10 a.m. I am in Saigon, Ho City, and I just got back from Muay Thai, and then I got a coffee and banh mi at 7-Eleven. Now I'm gonna go now I just got back to the shower. I'm gonna go get money exchanged, and then go to this Web3 Wellness Hacker House event where I will be just co-working. And today is all about building high-frequency highway. I am focused on resolving some issues with authentication, working with Firebase, Swift, and Revenue Cat, and this kind of stack. So it's a mobile app that plays frequencies. And so the vlogs here, again, are just documentation of this day in the life, or this day is a public journal. It's a stream of consciousness. It's not edited, it's not scripted or really planned. So this is a different type of kind of content, where it's about observing the universe and reality and this human experience. And what is top of mind? I usually kind of start with this question. We are algorithms that are always going input-output. We have these input of the world around us, the senses. We have our models of the world, of a series of events, of our lives, of the world around us, of how it works. These are mental models, these are concepts, these are neural networks encoding words. And we kind of, how we operate is we have this goal-seeking algorithm, which is we want to survive, we want to thrive, we want to self-actualize, and we want to actualize ourselves in all these different areas of life, in our skills development, in our getting all the basic needs, fulfilling ourselves in development of our talents, in acquisition of skills, of playing this game of life, and being contributors to this game of life. So we get satisfaction out of being, and happiness out of being contributors, of contributing to this world. And if we can help the development of the world, we can help development of the world around us. That means like the groups, social groups, the larger social organizations, corporations, companies, nations, religions, kind of movements, just thoughts, concepts, technologies, discoveries. If we can contribute to these worlds, then we feel fulfilled, and we feel that we are working well, that our algorithms are working well, and that we feel happy. And that is the goal of life, is to within our means of possibility, to contribute as much as we can, and to other things are alongside of contributing to the world around us is having experiences that can be like, well, you want to travel, you want to have fall in love, you want to build a company, you want to create something, you want to present something, you want to give a speech at a university, you want to win a competition, you want to skydive, you want to learn how to fly, something like that. These are experiences. This is another area. And then what else? We also have another area of life is kind of growth, how we develop ourselves, how we grow. So our algorithms is data in, our mental models, and then actions, data out, speech, decisions, actions, and thoughts are internal, but they're also kind of our kind of output, as we kind of think, we think, then we speak, and then we act. So it's a first step. It's a thought. It starts with a thought. I just had this coffee, and I think it was a little bit too sweet. It was one of those canned coffees. It was just like 15K BND, which is like 50 cents. Well, it's actually maybe like 60, 65. Because dollar is 24K, 25K. But it just has this like sweetness in it. It's kind of kind of gross, but I have some water here, so I will just drink water. So bad taste. So this YouTube channel, this series on this YouTube channel, the vlog series, is really about showing what's top of mind, and it's interesting. I am convinced that this is interesting. Perhaps people out there will find it interesting. Like, you know, imagine broadcasting your thoughts to all 7 or 8 billion of us out there. That's interesting. How can you can reveal the most intimate kind of thoughts that are in you and publish it for all the world to see, and instantly, and it will just be there. So for the next 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, so I can come back here in 2 years and be like, what was I thinking? Who was I? And other people can come across this and be like, well, I never thought about it that way. Really, life is miraculous, and these are things I haven't thought about. Maybe somebody hasn't thought about this. How? So what else is top of mind? Coming back to this idea. I went to a cacao ceremony yesterday in District 2 at this place called the Yoga Pod. And my friend invited me to it, and I was like, this is kind of strange, but it actually sounds kind of cool. I love this stuff. Like, and I haven't been to one in a while. It's like, once in a while, you go into these kinds of workshops or events, it's just like amazing. So like a cacao ceremony. I've been to one before, I like in Burning Man, or like some kind of events, some kind of like, I think some crypto events. But it was awesome. We set an intention at the beginning. My intention was great, and then afterwards, like, we shared, and I shared my intention, and like everybody like vibed with it. You know, it was really epic. So my intention was like to contemplate. I actually wrote like 3 pages, and they're actually here, and it's like my intention was like a whole paragraph, but it boils down to contemplating this idea of my fault, which I kind of talked about at the last vlog, and it's like putting the control of your life within yourself, the source of your life within yourself, and really just being like, the reason why I'm not living my dream life is my fault, and I have the power to change it. And then after the meditation, there was a guitarist playing this really cool vibey guitar, and it was like a spoken guided meditation that was just amazing. And afterwards, I was like, I wrote down my reflections, and they were like really amazing. They were really around this idea of how we have so much amazing stuff within us, miraculous stuff within us, as we are the whole universe watching itself. And there's nothing more amazing outside of us than there is within us, and each one of us. And we are capable of so much more. The only thing that gets in our way is ourselves and our limitations of our beliefs and our social conditioning. And really, the truth is that we are capable of so much, and that really comes down to this can be summarized as impossible is nothing. I remember seeing this t-shirt a friend of mine had in like, I was like in middle school, and it was an Apple t-shirt, and it had the words impossible is nothing. And I remember seeing that, it just blew my mind, and I'll never forget it. And it's like, but that summarizes it. And that was an amazing experience. Afterwards, me and like a friend and 2 other people went and got like delicious Italian food, like down the street, and it was fun, and that was good. I'll end it here. Vlog152. Peace. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Comment and DM me if you want, and happy to hear your ideas and thoughts and impressions and everything. Bye.